I usually dry my hair with a soft t-shirt. It's just like t-shirt dry, and this is how it looks. I look crazy right now without any product or anything like that. It's kind of damp. It has like a little frizziness to it, but it's super soft. So I washed my hair last night, and I kind of like during these colder months, and then sometimes throughout the year, I have flakes of I suffer kind of from dandruff, and I think maybe psoriasis. I need to go to a dermatologist to get it diagnosed, or to see what could be the problem, because it just happens around my hairline up here, and then like on my scalp, and it's kind of silver like flakes that up here, and it's not like traditional dandruff, like really small. It's like scales almost. So that's kind of what makes me think it's psoriasis. So I need to go to a dermatologist to see what actually is going on. What I used was T-Gel by Neutrogena. So I washed with that, let it sit for a little bit, washed again with it, let it sit for a little bit, and then I rinsed that out, and I conditioned with the Nexus Humectant Conditioner, and then rinsed that out after 3 minutes, and then I conditioned again with, because that one is a protein conditioner, so I conditioned again because I feel like I'm doing something by conditioning again with the Organics conditioner. And then I put the Organics coconut oil, miracle oil, on top of the conditioner so that it could be softer and even more, seal that moisture in a little bit more. And so this is what I have once I rinse it out. And like I said in one of my videos before, I do have heat damage from when I have my splints. It's nice and fluffy and bouncy and all that good stuff, and it's kind of big. But so I'm going to show you guys how I moisturize my hair. This is a continuation of my wash day routine. It's not an all day event for me. I don't have like super tough hair or you know, like to detangle and things like that. I started last night because we went to a movie. That's the only reason why, because I needed to get up and I wanted to sleep in. So we went to a movie this morning, and so I wanted to do that and have my hair kind of ready for that, and then so I could do this video. So that's why I started last night. Let's get into this thing. For my moisturizer, I think I mentioned this before in another video. I do like to use the Leave-On Detangling Milk by Pantene Pro V, the Gold Series. It boasts that it's a moisturizing cream that smooths the cuticle for easier combing and a moisturized look and feel, and it helps tame frizz. So I really like this one. It's I used the Shea Moisture Detangler before. It's like a kind of a creamy consistency. A little bit on the clearer side. I like it better for detangling, but this one is pretty good because I already have my hair detangled. So this one is good for moisture. It really is good for moisture for my hair, and it doesn't weigh it down a whole lot. So what I like to do first is start off by parting my hair into 4 sections. I don't do anything major, like any neat parts or anything, because I mean, it's just me doing extra detangling and moisturizing my hair. So once I have it all in the sections, I just start moisturizing. What I do first is I take the detangling milk, and I do about 3 or 4 pumps in the back, and then I like to focus a lot of it on the ends of my hair, and then I just kind of take it and part in bigger chunks, and if I need more, I'll just get probably like a pump more. And then split it open, just trying to get roughly in each area of the back, and then I go in and I comb. And then I take the coconut miracle oil, about a 1/4 size of it, and then I just go over that, and in the same type of motion. can, just to kind of evenly distribute that all throughout. Once I have it combed through, I take my Denman brush. So, because I can't really use this without my hair being detangled first. It's not a good detangler for me because it just really kind of rips my hair out. But what I do, once it's detangled, I just go through. Then I take it, this whole section, and I do one twist. See how nicely moisturized it is? So nice and juicy. And then on to the next. So for the front of my hair, I like to do about 2 to 3 pumps because it's a smaller section. I'm gonna start off with 2. But I still go in the same type of motion. Then I take about a dime size of the hair oil. And I start my way from the bottom and work my way up. And so that's really it. That's all I do is, you know, put a little bit of moisturizer, oil, and then I just twist it up like this. Usually when I'm doing my hair after I clean it, I'm going somewhere. So I am just going to put my hair in a bun. You guys seen pretty much how I do my buns. If it's not just straight slicked back, it's with a side part or a middle part. I think I'm gonna go for a middle part today because that's what I'm kind of feeling like. But for the most part, I don't wear my ponytail every day. I usually wear a bun. So I'll come back and show you guys the finished look when I have it completed. So I decided I'll let you guys see how I do my part today because I realized that I've never done my middle part on camera. Yeah, I've never done the middle part on camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I usually use my widow's peak because I have a widow's peak. And I usually use it as my guide for the middle part. I'm gonna take my rat tail comb because it parts the best. I'm just gonna work my way down toward my center of my widow's peak. So there you have it. A nice deep straight middle part. It's one of the best things about having a widow's peak is that you can use it as a guide to part your hair. So what I do for this particular style is I will take it in sections, in 2 sections, because it's a little bit fuller on this side and I want my sides to lay down. So I'll just pin this over. I'll take the concoction from the last time. It's just aloe vera gel, the coconut oil, and then Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. And then I just slick down this top part. I use the Eco Styler Gel for it as well. And because I do have a widow's peak, I can't just, like, I don't like how swoops look on me so much. What I do is I do try to keep it down on the sides, but it comes, the part that's important for my hair when I'm doing the middle part is where my hairline is. So that I can see, I'm gonna put my glasses back on. So what I do, I take the gel, and so I go up and then down like that. So it's kind of, so that this can kind of smooth backwards, and then this will still swoop. And then just take this brush and smooth back. After I'm done slicking down that side, I put a little bit more oil in my hands and I put it on top of that just so that it won't get hard. Then I take the back and combine that with the back, twist this, and then put the clamp on it just to hold it down. Then I just do the same thing with this side. So once I'm done getting my hair in a ponytail, this is what it looks like. What I do with my hair that's out is I just braid it and then I wrap it around. And then so once I have my hair all in the bun and it is slicked down, I go and I put on my headscarf. If I'm leaving out the door relatively quickly, I'll try to keep it on as long as I can, at least 10 minutes. And then if I'm gonna be chilling around the house before I leave, then I'll just put it on, and however long that is, I'll keep it on up until the point of me leaving home. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my everyday hair tutorial and my post-wash routine. If you guys want to see how I, wash my hair, I mean, it's really basic how everybody else washes their hair. But if you want to see that, just let me know in the comments section. Whatever other videos you guys want to see, comment in the comment section and let us know, and we'll be happy to get those done for you. Bye, guys.